Well, the sedation was, I really liked it. It was very, it wasn't like general anaesthetic whatsoever. It was very relaxing. You kind of fell into a very deep sleep. I just felt very comfortable, very happy in a way, very positive. I don't really remember that much about it until the end, when I was slightly being brought back to consciousness. But even then, it wasn't scary. I kind of knew what was happening. Though I could hear the team talking. It was quite comforting, and when I came round, it was just like coming out of a very deep sleep. I felt absolutely no pain whatsoever. I will say I could feel, being stitched, but it wasn't a nasty experience at all. It was quite nice, really, because when you have general anaesthetic, when you wake up, you're just in a shock and you don't really know what's going on or what's happened. But that kind of anaesthetic, you're kind of aware of what just happened, and you just feel comfortable, and you know what's happened, and you're just ready for the next stage of the recovery. So yeah, I wouldn't have any reservations about that kind of anaesthetic whatsoever. It was really nice. In fact, I think one stage I was asking for more. So yeah, it was fine. Just 6 weeks ago, I had a lower neck lift and facelift and chin implant. I've come back from my 6-week check today, and I'm absolutely thrilled and over the moon about how it's turned out. It's better than I ever thought it would be. I had a very saggy neck, and I really wasn't happy with my profile for years. But I just came to a point in my life which it was the right time to have this done. It was probably the best thing I've ever done. I feel so much more confident. I don't mind looking in the mirror at my profile now, which I never used to. The whole experience was, I wouldn't say a breeze, but it wasn't by any means difficult. I think I had the first night after my surgery, it was a bit uncomfortable because you have really tight bandages around your head, and my face was extremely swollen. But once those bandages were off, I just rested, didn't do anything for about a week, and there was not much pain. I had a few painkillers, but they weren't anything that they were just ones you could pick up from the chemist, I think. Yeah, it was really quite, in a way it was quite relaxing, the whole experience. After about a week, I felt like I could go out. I went and I saw my family, saw my children. They didn't even really notice that I'd had any major surgery or anything. I just felt so much happier and confident, and yeah, after 2 weeks the drains were removed, which I will say that was probably the worst thing about the whole surgery, was having the drains which come out of your head. But I do understand that they were very, very important to be there, because the swelling was really not too bad at all. After 2 weeks I went on holiday. It felt fantastic when I was on holiday. A couple of my friends said that I looked so much better and fresher, and I had a little bit of an idea that I had surgery, but nobody else has noticed. But obviously I just feel so much more confident, happier, and I'm so happy I did it, and thank you. And Mr. De Silva's team were incredibly friendly and kind, made me feel very relaxed. The operation was just yeah, it was obviously I was nervous on my way here, but as soon as I got here, the anaesthetic guy was very explained everything, and I just felt comfortable and in safe hands. And I would if you want to do this, I would say that get it done as soon as you can, because it's really changed my life. Thank you. For me, when I was considering my surgery, I didn't look at all the details of what, where the cuts are going to be, and what they were, how it was going to be, the actual procedures. I was just thinking about the results, and I was just so excited about getting rid of this chin and neck that I kind of just trusted Dr. De Silva and didn't research all different types of facelifts, etc. Looked at his website, looked at loads of befores and afters, and just felt it was the right thing to do.